Case study: Revolutionizing Cybersecurity Incident Response, harnessing AI for enhanced threat detection and mitigation. Securing digital assets has never been more critical, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of revolutionizing incident response in cybersecurity. In a metropolitan city, a major financial institution was grappling with escalating cyber threats. This institution, a cornerstone of the European banking system, faced a sophisticated malware attack that pushed its traditional security measures to the brink. The bank's internal cybersecurity team, led by Chief Information Security Officer Anna Müller, had implemented a robust series of security protocols. Despite these measures, the malware breached the network's defenses undetected. At this juncture, the bank turned to Darktrace, a cybersecurity firm renowned for its cutting-edge AI technology. Darktrace's Enterprise Immune System, an AI-driven platform, was deployed to mimic the human immune system's ability to autonomously detect and neutralize threats. The AI immediately began learning and adapting to the network's unique patterns, identifying an anomaly in the form of unusual data transfer activity between internal servers and an external IP address. How did Darktrace's AI platform distinguish this threat from regular network traffic? The AI's ability to continuously learn allowed it to recognize deviations from the norm, flagging this anomaly for further investigation. The incident response team, alerted by the AI, quickly isolated the affected segments of the network, preventing the malware from spreading further. They analyzed the flagged activity and confirmed the presence of sophisticated malware that had bypassed traditional security measures. This swift identification and containment underscored the value of AI in real-time threat detection and response, preventing potential financial and reputational damage. In another scenario, IBM's Watson for cybersecurity provided a lifeline to a major healthcare provider facing a ransomware attack. This healthcare institution, responsible for sensitive patient data, experienced a sudden encryption of critical files. The internal IT team, led by cybersecurity expert Dr. Sarah Lee, was initially unable to identify the ransomware variant or its entry point. Watson, with its capability to process vast amounts of unstructured data through natural language processing, was introduced to the crisis. Watson scoured through extensive databases, research papers, and real-time threat intelligence feeds. It analyzed patterns and correlated the ransomware's behavior with known vulnerabilities. Watson identified the ransomware as a new variant that exploited a zero-day vulnerability. How could Watson process such vast quantities of data and provide actionable insights so rapidly? The integration of AI allowed Watson to perform deep analysis and draw connections that would take human analysts significantly longer to achieve. With Watson's insights, Dr. Lee's team swiftly isolated the ransomware, preventing further encryption. They implemented Watson's recommended patches and updates to close the exploited vulnerability. This incident illustrated AI's role in augmenting human intelligence, enabling cybersecurity teams to navigate complex threat landscapes more effectively. Meanwhile, the threat intelligence platform Anomaly was crucial in protecting multiple financial institutions from a coordinated phishing attack. Anomaly's AI aggregated and analyzed data from various sources, identifying patterns that suggested a coordinated campaign by a cybercriminal group. The AI detected similarities in the phishing email's structure and origin, signaling a broader threat. Given the dispersed nature of the financial institutions, how did Anomaly's AI manage to correlate data across different entities? The AI's capacity to analyze data from diverse sources allowed it to provide a macro view of the threat landscape. This early warning system enabled affected institutions to implement preemptive measures. They fortified their email security protocols and educated their employees on identifying phishing attempts, significantly reducing the campaign's impact. Statistical evidence supports the efficacy of AI in these scenarios. According to the Capgemini Research Institute, 75% of organizations using AI in cybersecurity reported fewer breaches and improved response times. This statistic underscores AI's practical benefits in incident response, transforming how organizations approach cybersecurity. Cylance, another cybersecurity firm, demonstrated AI's potential in proactive threat detection. Cylence's AI-driven platform, Silence Protect, was deployed at a technology company that had fallen victim to a zero-day exploit. Traditional antivirus solutions had failed to detect the threat, allowing it to compromise critical systems. Silence Protect, utilizing machine learning algorithms, identified the exploit based on behavioral analysis rather than known signatures. How did Silence Protect's AI distinguish between normal and malicious behavior? The platform analyzed patterns, flagging deviations indicative of a potential threat. It blocked the exploit before it could execute, showcasing AI's advantage in real-time threat prevention. Beyond detection, AI also excels in automated remediation. FireEye, a cybersecurity firm, automated its incident response processes using AI. When a manufacturing company experienced a ransomware attack, FireEye's AI system identified and isolated the affected devices. The AI initiated a rollback to pre-infection states, effectively neutralizing the threat with minimal downtime. This rapid containment highlighted AI's role in reducing the time to respond and mitigate threats without human intervention. In what ways can automated remediation enhance overall cybersecurity posture? By executing predefined responses, AI systems can contain threats quickly, minimizing damage and allowing human analysts to focus on more complex tasks. This capability is invaluable in high-stress scenarios where rapid action is critical. The integration of AI also fosters collaboration and information sharing among cybersecurity professionals. The Financial Services Information Sharing and Analysis Center employed AI to analyze threat data from member institutions. When AI analysis revealed a new variant of banking malware, FS-ISAC promptly disseminated actionable intelligence, enabling members to implement protective measures. How does AI facilitate more effective collaboration among organizations? By providing a comprehensive view of the threat landscape, AI-driven platforms enable organizations to share insights and coordinate their responses, enhancing collective cybersecurity defenses. Academic research further validates AI's role in enhancing incident response. A study in the Journal of Cybersecurity found that AI-driven systems achieved higher detection rates and lower false positive rates compared to traditional methods. This finding reinforces AI's potential to improve detection accuracy and reduce the burden of false alarms on security teams. Concluding the analysis, it is evident that artificial intelligence significantly enhances the efficacy and efficiency of incident response in cybersecurity. The seamless integration of AI enables real-time threat detection, automated remediation, and enhanced collaboration. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and provide actionable insights augments human intelligence, transforming how organizations respond to cyber threats. As the examples of Darktrace, IBM Watson, Anomaly, Silence, and FireEye illustrate, AI-driven solutions empower organizations to swiftly identify, analyze, and mitigate cyber threats. These case studies highlight AI's transformative potential in bolstering cybersecurity defenses, ensuring robust protection of digital assets in an increasingly complex threat landscape. Embracing AI in incident response is not just an option, but a necessity for maintaining resilient cybersecurity frameworks.